AI interpretations can be added to any part of the assessment, but in most cases, we've found it's easiest to manage them in a dedicated section at the end of the assessment. To create a section for AI interpretations, navigate to the final section and add a new section below. You can call this section anything you like. Now, navigate to Options and under Section Type, select Individual Report. This indicates to the system that the content of this section is solely for individual reporting and feedback generation purposes. Now it's time to build your first interpretation. To add an AI interpretation, click the Add AI Interpretation button at the bottom of the window. First, let's give our interpretation a name like Policy Review. Now let's start our prompt. We want the prompt to review the policy that our respondent uploaded in the Welcome section. To do this, we will say, the respondent has uploaded their existing cybersecurity documentation as follows. Now we need to add a merge string to bring in the document uploaded. Press Add Merge String and select Answer Text from the drop-down. Next, select the question that corresponds with the upload. That's question 4 in section 1. Press Save. Now we're ready to ask AI some questions about the upload. Let's ask, how well does this policy align with ISO 27001 requirements? Lastly, best practice is to give AI interpretation an action for the output. Let's ask it to provide a list of next steps for improvement if applicable. When you started your trial, you will have a test response to the cybersecurity assessment already. This is helpful for testing your assessment and your interpretations. In the drop-down, select the response, Clara West. Now, press Test Interpretation. You should now have some feedback ready to go and an action item list. This is only one example of how you can use interpretations. Have a play around with this one and try merging in different aspects of the assessment to see how it works in more detail. Before we move on, keep this open. There's one more thing we want to show you here, AI scoring.